So finally, biggest breaking news is coming from Mphasis. Mphasis just announced biggest mega drive which is going to be a direct interview up to 3 to 23rd of February. मतलब तुम समझ सकते हो इतनी बड़ी मेगा हायरिंग की जा रही है. बट देयर इज वन थिंग यू हैव टू कीप इन माइंड कि डिलॉयट की भी बहुत बड़ी हायरिंग एनालिस्ट रोल चालू कर दिया गया है इस बार, और स्केलर की भी बहुत बड़ी हायरिंग आ रही है. बट व्हाट टू पुट इन रेज्यूमे, इफ यू सी दिस इज द स्केलर जेडी प्रोडक्ट इंटर्न, ठीक है. एंड इफ यू स्क्रॉल डाउन देयर इज मेनी थिंग लाइक टूल्स, टेक्नोलॉजी, LLM. You have to put all these domain in resume. If you are related to, means if you are having the domain of AI ML, you can easily put that domain. like cursor भी इसमें क्लॉड और चैट GPT भी कर सकते हो. now scroll down and this is in office Bangalore location is there is 3 openings and if you see that Scalar is a big company, ठीक है. so all pursuing candidates is eligible. if you see this is the form, you can easily scroll down, click on yes because next month is going to be your internship, and click on no because this is absolutely for freshers, and give your LinkedIn profile, give your updated resume. what to put in resume, there is clearly mentioned that this is product intern. then you have to use the LLM, GPT, AI tools. put all these tools which is very easy, cursor, cloud, chat GPT, we all know how to use. so put that domain and take domain from here also. and if you see that no code low code proficiency if you having, like बहुत easy होता है, कुछ भी नहीं है, अप्लाई कर लो इसके लिए जितना हो सकता है. put all these domain which is written here, this is your responsibilities, these are your required skills. so put all these domain in resume with communication and interpersonal skills. so if you are putting these domain, then you will get to see the shortlisting mail with updated resume. without updating resume you are applying, then you will never see the shortlisting mail. put all your domain in resume and update it as soon as possible, and fill this form as soon as possible. 26, 27 and 28 batches eligible, apply it as soon as possible. so finally Mphasis just announced walk and drive in Pune for apprenticeship opportunity for 1 year. paid internship is going on for trainee transaction processing officer. just one thing you need, that good communication with capital marketing, basics knowledge and typing skill. that's it, इतना easy है. and the 3rd, 6th, 9th, 12th, 16, 19, 23rd and 26 February, ये पूरी ही डेट में तुम्हारा 10:30 to 1 PM is your walk and drive, and this is your venue. means if you click on this you will see that Google form, and this is the venue like Pune, Maharashtra, and this is free zone road वगैरह. you can easily call on them also for confirm the walk and drive, but you don't have to confirm. this is officially uploaded by Mphasis company. so scroll down and check that these are the document you have to put. These are POC, you can easily contact with them also via email, and you have to carry document, hard copy of latest resume and government ID proof. That's it. so this is your venue, this is the timing, these are your dates, and these are skill set, which is very basic level of skill set. you can easily scan this to apply. so please scan as soon as possible and apply it as soon as possible. so this is the form, ठीक है. BTech not eligible. BTech not eligible, basically BCom, BBM, BBA is eligible, and passing year 21 up to 25 is eligible. and if you see, these are your skills domains you have to put in resume. what to do, first go to this link, click on this link, you will redirect to this page. update your resume with all these enterprise skills plus these Excel, MS, Word domains and these capital market, investment banking. and first check if you are following the criteria or not. then you have to check out this also, take domain from here also, and please apply it as soon as possible because trainee transaction processing officer role is there. and don't see one opening, this is by default रहता है ये इसके पेज में, तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. click on apply now as soon as possible and go and first update your resume. if they are shortlisting, means if they are only giving walk and drive opportunity to shortlisted candidates, then you have to first update your resume with good communication, typing skill, capital market basic with Excel, PowerPoint and Word, and these written और speak communication interpersonal skills, क्योंकि ये as it is भी करोगे तो बहुत फायदा होगा. Bangalore location is there, and then follow the criteria, that's it, and apply it as soon as possible. you will see the shortlisting mail, then you maybe if they are shortlisting then they will send you the dates, timing is same, but यहाँ पे date का slot कोई भी मिल जाएगा. then you have to go there to attend the walk and drive with the required document अपने साथ रखना. that's it. so what you have to do, just first update your resume and apply it as soon as possible for 1 year apprenticeship paid opportunity. So Deloitte just announced junior analyst crime investigator financial. Again, if you scroll down, so if you see that 0 to 3 year of hands-on experience is compulsory, means a fresher is eligible. But again, BBA, BCom, BSc, BCA, BA, BBM is eligible. Bangalore, Hyderabad location is there. Excel यहाँ पर भी मिलेगा, enterprise skill यहाँ भी मिलेगी, because this is same role. ये भी फाइनेंशियल वालों के लिए था सेम एज इट इज सेम, इसके लिए भी है, तो दोनों के लिए तो मैं अप्लाई कर सकते हो विद द सेम अपडेटेड रेज्यूमे. So what you have to put in resume, you all know, just put all these domain resume and apply it as soon as possible, because your responsibilities is you have to do KYC, ठीक है, और रिव्यू वगैरह करना पड़ेगा, फ्रॉड रिव्यूज चेक करने पड़ेंगे, बहुत नॉर्मल है इफ यू आर फ्रॉम फाइनेंशियल बैकग्राउंड. तो क्लिक ऑन अप्लाई नाउ, अपडेट योर रेज्यूमे, अप्लाई ऑन बोथ Mphasis and Deloitte, because both role is same, and apply with the same resume and apply it as soon as possible. But for Scalar, you have to first update your resume, put all AI, ML or ChatGPT, LLM, Cursor, Claude, ChatGPT, okay, AI tools, put all these domain resume and apply it as soon as possible with updated resume. This is product intern, you have to build the product, because Scalar is product based company और इसका पैकेज तो बहुत ज़्यादा हाई होने वाला है, उसकी तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. First update your resume for all these and apply it as soon as possible. If you having any query, just comment down, and please watch Big Fractal Opportunity already uploaded, which is mass hiring. Today is the last date. already uploaded previous video को चेक कर लो जाके, and थॉट वर्क की डायरेक्ट रेफरल मिल रहा है. आज ही लास्ट डेट है दोनों की, जाके अप्लाई करो. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.